Wake up, phone glowing, charts on my face. Red candles dancing, heart in the race. Saw it on Twitter, next on it that car call. Didn't read a thing, went all in, no wall. Dreaming Lambo rooftop view. Reality check rent still do. Gas fee high, balance low, but hope still strong, so I hit bottle. Every green candle messing with my brain. Every day whispering this is the game. No plan, no stop, just fear and greed. Trying to turn luck into destiny. Buy high, sell low, that's the story I know. Chasing fast money, watch your bankroll go. Trying to get rich, but I move too slow. Buy high, sell low, yeah, the market cold. Buy high, sell low, emotions on control. Hands made of paper, yeah, I lost my soul. Everybody wins on the screenshot they show, but I buy high, sell low. Telegram bobbing, don't miss this wave. Liquidity gone, but they say be brave. Price going up, FOMO kicking in. I buy the top like I'm born to sin. The silence hits, chart go flat. Dev says working, but we know that. Panic sell, but looking real sweet. Sell at the bottom, except defeated. I don't need a villain, I know the truth. Biggest enemy, looking back in the booth. Same mistake, different coin. Same old dream, different noise. Buy, sell low, that's the story I know. Chasing fast money, watch your bankroll go. Tryna get rich, but I move too slow. Buy, sell low, yeah, the market go. Buy, sell low, emotions on control. Hands made of paper, yeah, I lost my soul. Everybody wins on the screenshot they show, but I buy, sell low. They say early bird gets the worm, but I show up late, still try to learn. Tryna choke a life with a lucky trade, but patience never came in a memeCoin name. Still I'm here, staring at the screen, knowing deep down what discipline means. It's not the coin, it's the way I play. Same chart, different choice, different day. Maybe rich ain't instant lights, maybe growth don't happen overnight. Till I learn to let emotions go, I'll buy high, sell low. Buy high, sell low, yeah, I know. Fast dreams fade when the candles close. One day I'll break this cycle, no more. Buy high, no more, sell low. Buy high, sell low.